Hello everybody! Today we're going to take a close-up look at the Sistema KLIP IT 3.5 litre bakery box. So let's go ahead and take a look. So this is a Sistema KLIP IT utility 3.5 litre bakery box or food storage container. And its dimensions are 264 millimeters long, 238 millimeters wide, and 85 millimeters tall or high. And taking a close-up look at the product sticker at the front of the food storage container or bakery box, we can see that it is phthalate and BPA free. And taking a look at the underside, and we can see the food safety or safety and care labels. So it is dishwasher safe, microwave oven, as well as freezer safe, and it is recyclable as well. And just to give you some idea of the rigidity or toughness of this food storage container, giving you some idea of its construction by pressing against the sides as well as the bottom and top or lid of the 3.5 litre bakery box. And giving you some close-up looks at the clips on all four sides of this bakery box with the Sistema branding. And it is stackable as well, so it does have a stackable design. You can see that it does have a protruding lip on the base, as well as a slightly recessed lid at the top. Okay, so now let's go ahead and open it up. Of course, flipping down the clips on all four of its sides. So you can see that each clip has two catches on either ends to fasten it against the lid. So let's pop the lid off and take a close-up look at the lid. So this is the underside of the lid, and we can see that it does have a seal running along in the groove around the edges of the lid. So giving you some close-up looks right there, and hopefully the camcorder is able to focus in on that seal. Okay, and just setting the lid down and giving you a full clear view of this Sistema KLIP IT 3.5 litre bakery box. Opened up, of course, and let me turn the main container part around. And just to give you some idea of the size right there, placing my hand inside this 3.5 litre capacity bakery box or food storage container. It does have a smooth and flat inner surface and rounded corners, of course. So giving you a nice full view of the container itself as well as the lid. So lid goes back on, Being a slightly rectangular box, you can see that the lid only goes on in one orientation right there. And let's flip the clips back up, and you can hear the snapping, given that each clip does have two notches or catches on each length. So once again, giving you a full and clear view of this Sistema KLIP IT 3.5 litre bakery box. So that's the Sistema KLIP IT 3.5 litre bakery box. Thanks for watching and happy storing!